Welcome to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today, I wanted to just compare and contrast the two special edition swatches, the Omega Speedmaster Moon Swatch and the Blancpain Scuba, which is a special edition version of the 50 Fathoms. Now, one of the things that I like to emphasize is I don't believe that these are homages. These are special editions in their own right, although some are more homage-y than others. For example, one could make the argument that the Easter egg in the mission to Mars is for the Alaska project because of the shape of the subdial pointers. But all in all, the Moon Swatch is actually not as much of a style copy of the Speedmaster as the Blancpain is a copy of the Blancpain. For example, you know, these are both colorful objects, and Blancpain does offer these in different colors, such as black and the like. And I have the Mission to Moon Speedmaster, or Moon Swatch, I should say. Well, it does say Speedmaster on here as well. And in one sense, it does harken back to the original because of the plastic crystal and, of course, the case shape and the fact that it is gray. But even though people say that they're, you know, people buy them because they look like the Speedmaster, it doesn't really look like the Speedmaster at close observation. You know, it's essentially still a colorful special edition of the family. And in the case of the Blancpain, they have another version without the date, which is actually an interesting development of the System 51 because it only has 48 parts. But the Blancpain special edition is more of a style homage to the original namesake, as it were, than the Speedmaster. When you consider the amount of brouhaha and interesting commentary and attention, these have been successes. Even though there are people who criticize these watches, they have been significant market successes. And in fact, the Blancpain just came out, the Swatch Blancpain just came out with a black version, which will undoubtedly sell like hotcakes. But just those were my thoughts on the Blancpain versus the Omega special editions. I think the Blancpain is a more linear, family orient, you know, more directly in line with the namesake, and the fact that it is a mechanical movement is a plus as well. And this one comes across a little cheap in comparison, frankly, but it is still a nice watch family. Both are. The Moon Swatch has done a lot to invigorate the family, and so has the Scuba for the 50 Fathoms. So thanks for watching. Just a couple of quick thoughts from me, and let me know if your thoughts. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe.